signals are to blame for the drop in the price of oil, but Chinese demand will recover in the second half. What's going on right now?
As I said in the panel, I'm cautiously optimistic about the second half of the year, especially with the generous decisions of continuing the voluntary cuts by the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, Russia, and Nigeria. I think all of those are going to help the stability of the market. One thing that we always challenge with is the quality of the information that is deciding the future, the predictions of the future of the market. And we hope that the more weight will be given to the Secretariat reporting, especially it's aligning with some of the biggest independents as part of the process. So I think if we improve the quality of the data that goes into the prediction, then the prediction will be more accurate.
So you believe that there's a fundamental disconnect right now between what's actually happening with prices and the fundamentals of the market. Is that a correct assumption?
Yes. I mean, typically in the past, if you tell someone that you are 100 million below the 5 years average in terms of inventories, he would tell you a different price environment than what you see today. That feeling is not there. You see the certain movements, like we learned today from Saudi Aramco, the pickup in the demand in China and in India is very strong actually, but you don't see that. I mean, 3 million or 23% in 3 years or 4 years. That's a lot in terms of growth and demand for one country. But even though you don't see these sentiments affecting the price, and what's important is not the price. What's important is the level of investments that are coming to the market to balance the longer or the medium term view of the supply, and that's. If something worries me, that's what worries me, the medium to long term supply, not the demand.
What we've seen is Saudi Arabia moving to extend its production curve. The Russians are going to be cutting deeper as well, but the UAE is not. Why?
Well, I think this is a voluntary cut. Not only UAE, there are 23 countries in the group. I think those countries who have came forward with such plans need to be thanked, need to be recognized, but it doesn't. If it was requiring a collective efforts, it would have been discussed, and then everyone would do it. But I think these countries have done something that is serving everyone, and we thank them. Summer, it's difficult to reduce production. UAE, compared to our capacity, UAE is also among those who are sacrificing the most, as you know, in terms of the differentials between the true available capacity and what we are producing. All of that is going to be fixed in 2025, as we explained at the previous meeting at OPEC, and I think that gives that meeting a weight in terms of probably, to me, it's the second most important meeting after April 2020.